Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and initial settings so adjustments actually take effect. First, make sure your HDMI cable is capable and fully seated. Weak connections cause blank edges. Then put your TV into game mode or a no-scaling picture preset to avoid overscan. On your Ps5, go to Settings, Screen and Video, then Video Output to see active resolution and display options. Once done, you'll have a clean baseline to change the display area and resolution without fighting two variables at once. Now you perform the detailed adjustments that fix size issues. In Screen and Video, choose Adjust Display Area and move the on-screen markers so they sit exactly on your TV's visible edges. This removes overscan or underscan. Next, set the Ps5 resolution to the native output of your TV and enable 120Hz or VRR only if supported. Mismatched rates can shrink or stretch the picture. Finally, match RGB range and HDR to your TV's preference so colors and brightness don't. Finish by saving settings and restarting both the Ps5 and the TV to ensure handshakes complete. Test with a game and the home screen. If edges still crop or show black bars, swap HDMI ports or replace the cable and check both devices for firmware updates. If problems persist, inspect the TV picture size menu, turn off overscan, zoom, or autofit features, and use full pixel or just scan modes. One key tip: many TVs call it overscan. Disabling that usually solves persistent scaling issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.